Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about survey equipment, and this equipment name is total station. So now we are going to see the part of this instrument. Firstly, you can see here downward there are some foot screw. There are 3 foot screw. Then upper side there is a display. On display there are some keys or keyboard. We can say keyboard. And then upper side there is a telescope. Here is the eyepiece. Here is the focusing screw. This is now we are going to perform the practical on this instrument. The name of instrument is you know all, the total station. Now here are some function keys. For on off there is red button. Now our instrument is turning on. Here on the display you can see there is a bubble, and you have to bring this bubble at the center firstly. So already the bubble is at the center. Now you can see on display there are some operations like tilt, LD point, plumb edges. To operate this keys you have to use the function keys F1, F2, F3. Here on other side you can see the keypad. There is some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. So each key there are some different purpose. For example, we can see here the number 7. Here downward there is written file. So the use of this 7 number we can create the file. Then we can see 9 number. Downward there is written STN. STN means station. So use of number 9 we can create station point. And near station there is DEF. So there is 2 operation we can done by the 9 number 9 key. So DEF we can use for giving some name to particular file. So here we can start a practical by pressing the enter key. I have already pressed the enter. Here is some file. So we will create new file. For new file we use number 7. Okay, I have pressed the number 7. Then on display we all are seeing some files created before. Here is the date, and here are file names. So already I have told you there is F1, F2, F3. Now see there is some operations: delete, clear, up arrow, down arrow, and there is create. Now we want to create the file. For creating file we will press F5. I have pressed F5. Now it is asking to put the name. So we are going to put the name. So what name? I will put SMS. So PQRS. Here is completed. Yes. Now I am going to press M. Okay. PQRS. Here our name is completed. Now I am going to create the file. For OK we will press the enter key. I have pressed the enter key. Yes, file is created. In this here file is created. You can see 100% memory is free up, 0 point use. Now press the escape key. By pressing escape we are come on the display. Here you can see the name SMS. Here is this. Okay. So now we have to fix the station point. I have already told you that to fix the station there is key number 9. Here you can see STN means we have to fix the station first. So I will press number 9. After pressing number 9 you can see on the display number 1 rectangular coordinate, then polar coordinate, then number 3 pre-station. So first we are going to set up our rectangular coordinate. So I will press here enter. After pressing it, you can see there is IH. IH means instrument height. Instrument height. Now here is 1.2 meter. Yes. After pressing enter key, now we are come here. Here you can see N, E, Z, P, N, P, C. N stand for northing, E stand for easting, and Z is elevation. Here PN means point number, PC means point code. So here you can see number 1 N. N stand for northing. There is northing 1000. By using arrow I am going downward. Easting 500. Elevation 100. Now here point number. Here to enter the point number we will press enter key. After pressing enter, so we are going to put here point number. Here you can see some options like save, list, up arrow, down arrow, or select. Now we are going to select point number. We can select point number by using F5. I have selected. Here is our first point. I put the number 1 by using this keypad. So after putting number 1, I will press enter. Now here we come at number 5, PC. PC means point code. So first point is our station point. So I am going to write here station. And this is our first station. So I will put here ST1. Okay, ST1. Here now you can see northing, easting, elevation, point number 1, PC means point code, is ST1 means station 1. So I have entered the key. Then here you can see horizontal angle. While I move this instrument, the horizontal angle also change. Here you can see on display. Now there is 256, now 280. So here we are going to set 0. To set the 0, there is F3, and 0 set means we have to set the north direction. So here is our north direction. I am moving the instrument at the north direction. Here is I have already set the instrument at north direction. Now I have to set it 0. For setting 0, I am going to press F3 twice. After pressing F3 twice, there you can see horizontal angle becomes 0. Here horizontal angle becomes 0. It means our north direction is set. Now we are going to take our first reading. It means BSP. BSP means backside point. We have already set the backside point, so I am going to save it. Here are two operations. First is measure, second is take out. Now we all are going to measure. Now here you all can see northing, easting, elevation, point number 2. Actually point number 1 was our station point. Now we are going to take our second reading. It means point number 2. Now we are going to take our first reading. So here you can see eyepiece. Here is focusing screw. By using focusing screw, I am going to bisect that target. We can call it prism. So I am observing the reading from eyepiece. Here we have bisect the object. Now we are going to measure the reading by using enter key. Here one more operation is there. You can see for F1 measure, for F2 there is save. So firstly we are going to measure. I will press F1. Here instrument has measured this reading. Here you can see northing is 1000, easting 505. Here you can see. Now we are going to save the point by using F2. Now here you can see the point number 3, means we are going to take our third number reading. Now you can see there is our target. Now we are going to take our third reading. By using the focusing screw and eyepiece with telescope, we are going to bisect that target. Here I have bisected the target. Now we are going to measure the point. So I will press F1 for measuring purpose, and here are our readings. To save this point, I will press F2, and you can see the number 3 point was saved successfully. Now here you can see all PN4, means we are going to take the reading, fourth reading. So this was the basic information about total station. One more point. Now we are going to take our fourth reading. There is our target. Now I am bisecting that target by using the instrument. Here we have bisected that target. Now we are going to take the reading. For measuring purpose, as you know, we will press F1. After pressing F1, we got all the readings. Now we are going to save this point by using F2. Here now you can see the fifth number. It means our next reading is our fifth point. Here we can use this instrument without prism. We can use this instrument for different purposes. Like we can use this instrument for stakeout. Then we can use the total station for measure horizontal angle, vertical angle. Then also we can use this instrument for horizontal distance. Then we can find out vertical distance. Here we all have learned some basic information about total station. Thank you.